This is the first step to making your baking soda volcano. You'll need 6 cups of flour, 2 cups of salt, 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 cups of water, and 2 cups of water. The mixture should be smooth and firm. If it's not, add a bit more water.
In this step, all you need to do is take the cap off your bottle and place it in the middle of your pan, your cooking pan, and mold dough around the bottle in a volcano shape, and make sure you don't get any dough in the bottle and don't cover it.
The next thing to do is to paint the volcano however you would like.
The next step is to put your funnel into your volcano and fill 4/5 of the bottle with warm water. Then you can add some red food coloring to your volcano.
Next, you add half a teaspoon of detergent to the bottle. This helps trap the bubbles produced by the reaction so you get better lava.
The next step is to put 2 tablespoons of baking soda into your bottle.
The lava effect is the reaction between the baking soda and vinegar. As the carbon dioxide gas is produced, the pressure builds up inside the plastic bottle until the lava comes out.
And that's our baking soda volcano.